Hello everyone, welcome back. Another update on Project Vampyre Resurrection. Early this foggy morning, we are about to go to the license branch to get license plates, get the sales tax paid on this thing. If you've seen the last video, you know that it is now running and driving. I also took it out for a couple more, one more pretty decent drive yesterday, and my wife took it out for a short drive after that as well. So seems like everything's going down the road good. No more foreseeable problems at this moment, but like with any other vehicle, who knows. Right now I'm getting ready to head to the BMV and get these plates. Got back from the BMV, got the license plates, the title transfer, everything done, and we're going to start it up. It did not start up that smooth earlier. I had it running once already. It's a little loud because of the exhaust. The exhaust is pretty much completely rotted away, so how well that's coming through on the video, but it's definitely there. But we're legal, insurance, everything. We're neutral. Now we're going to take a drive. Just by the way, I am still relearning how to drive a manual. So it's been about 15 years to 20 years since I've driven a manual. So this is definitely a relearning experience. I've driven this some already, so I'm getting back into it now, but definitely been a process. Really, it's not too loud. Most of the noise is coming in through this seal between where the rear window would be and the camper shell. That's really where all the noise is coming in. I think if it weren't for that, it would be a lot quieter. In fourth gear, this thing seems like it doesn't even need fifth gear unless you get out on the highway. We're only doing 40 right now, so this is also one of those vehicles that seems like you're going faster than you are. I've owned some that seem like you're going a lot slower than you are. I've owned some that seem like you're going a lot faster, and this definitely makes you feel like you're going faster than you are, at least to me. Back to first. V6 5-speed. To my knowledge, by the time 93 came around, this is a little on the rare side from that, because a lot of the 93s, to my understanding, had automatic with 4.3s. So I had a 4.3 automatic in my GMC Sonoma. We're gonna go back up to third here. Definitely drives really well. It doesn't seem to pull. It doesn't shake. Of course, like I said, I'm not really getting up that fast. camera shifted on me, so I had to stop and fix that. Hopefully it stays put this time. And I stopped at a church of all places. It's very fitting, I thought. This is actually the road I grew up on, so they're pretty familiar roads. Once I drive it more, get more used to the clutch, that'll help too. So really, final thoughts, I mean, I think we're ready to move on to more detailed work, getting things cleaned up. I actually did find an issue that I have to take care of fairly soon, or actually very soon. The coffin actually has one place in the joints that is separated. So now that I'm driving it, I'm afraid that's going to get worse fast. So it's on the back side, on the side where the lid is bolted, or the lid is bolted to. So basically, what I'm going to have to do is I'm going to have to take the lid off. That'll keep it from getting worse, I think. And then once I take the lid off, I'm gonna, I think, get some hinges, some rigid hinges that don't have pins in them, so there's not as much give or nothing can shake loose. And I think I'm actually going to put 2 hinges on that back joint, just to hold it all together, to hold it in place, keep it from moving, separating anymore. And I just killed it again. There we go. There we go. Now we're moving. Right now. Feel those bumps in this thing. Well, I'm going to drive this truck some more and enjoy it. Till next time, take care.